Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Time Mode. And today in NXCAD we will learn this transition command, and transition command will use to create intersecting surface between two or more cross section. So first we have to create some cross section. For that I will choose this plane and click OK, and the sketch may be open or closed. So but all the surface, all the curves may be closed or open. All curves are same, they may be open or they may be closed. So I will create all the open sketches. Just click, and after that I will convert this bottom line into reference line. Now just create a plane. I need a single plane, so change this to 1 and apply. Apply. Now just click over this front plane and apply, and click one more time and reverse the direction and click OK. So we have this 4 plane, and I will sketch on all these 4 plane and click OK. Now second, I want some like this sketch. Now click and sketch over this plane and define the horizontal axis and click OK. And we have to sketch in between these two sketch, so that our transition will come okay. We have 3. Now just go this plane and draw another curve and change this line to a reference. Now finish this. First I will extrude, reverse and drag, apply, select, reverse the direction, apply, select, apply and select and click OK. Now I will go to surface, and here in surface, in more, I have this transition. In transition surface, select first curve. This is my first curve. Now add one more, click, and if you want to check this is not accurate, so just reverse the direction. Now you can see it will come. Now I will click this add new set, and I'm going to add this. Now just go and select the preview. This will be my preview. If you want to add this sketch, just undo and add new set and click. The direction is not properly, just flip the direction and preview. So this is my transition surface. And if you want to change this shape control, just undo, and I will change this shape of the start. You can click here. The start shape will change, and shape will change, or just reduce this, the shape will like this. Our default value is 1 and the default value is 1. Now preview. And here this is the tangent magnitude. You can change depth and skewness, the depth. The same result will come, but the value will change to depth and skew. It will skew your surface with the help of this. So hope you understand this transition surface and click OK. So thank you for watching and keep watching. See you with next tutorial.